You want to hop on to another question?
Yes. So the next question is whatever I do or accomplish in my life, um, even if I get compliments from the people about that, I always feel like I could have done better or I could have done more. Like it's not good enough.
Okay. So let's play with that feeling now. So that feeling that is it the feeling that it's never good enough or I'm never good
Yes,
enough? It's never good enough?
yes.
And 0 to 10, how strong is that feeling?
8.
8. And I feel like it's never good enough because
People will think that I'm not smart enough
okay.
or something
And
like that.
so it's about what other people think.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
So you could have 2 people sitting with you. One person that could think you're the smartest, most beautiful person on the planet. Another person who could think she doesn't know anything. So which one of those 2 people is right?
I don't know.
Neither one of them, both of them. It doesn't matter, right?
No, yeah,
Because those are just points of view, right?
yeah,
So the important thing to understand is other people's point of view don't mean anything. Because you get to choose the point of views that you want to choose.
yeah,
So I'm going to choose that Gabriela, she's smart, she's beautiful, she's in alignment, she knows how to follow her inspiration. And what happens out here, successes and failures, don't mean anything. And how does that feel when I say that?
it feels right.
Yeah.
Better. Yeah,
So your job as a leading edge creator who studies the law of attraction is every time you have a negative point of view that comes in, like I'm not good enough, is to recognize I can choose different. I can choose the point of view that I am good enough. Does that make
so
sense?
yes, actually, it's my choice.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And just because maybe your mom couldn't see that you're good enough, just because your friend can't see that you're good enough, just because your boss can't see it, even if you can't see it, doesn't mean that it's true.
Yeah.
Right? Because everybody is exactly who they're meant to be. Right?
Yeah.
If I hated chemistry, if I failed all my chemistry tests, does that mean I'm not good enough?
No.
No, right.
Mm.
And could you picture a 1-day-old baby being not good enough?
No.
No. So
No.
by default, everybody is automatically good enough.